Hey guys, what's up? It's Card Shuffler 99 here. Today we're going to show you guys an awesome trick. It's called the lie detector trick. Also, make sure you enter our giveaway. We're giving away 12 Monarch decks of playing cards. So if you want to be entered in that really cool giveaway, like the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and you have to comment at least one thing in the comment section down below, anything, and notifications have to be on. You'll be entered in the giveaway. And yeah, we're going to get right into the trick here. So, I would ask my spectator to select any card he would like. Perfect. Don't let me see it. Whatever you do, I'm going to turn around. Don't let me see it.
Perfect.
All right, you got it?
Yep.
We're going to take your card. We're going to place it right there. And we're going to lose it somewhere into the middle of the deck. Now, Adam, we're going to test your lying skills. Now, you might be asking, why are you going to, why are you going to test me on my lying skills? Maybe you're a bad liar. I don't know. So, here's how we're going to do this. Adam, I'm going to put you through a little bit of a test, and all you have to do is say, that's my card. That's it. All right? So, I'm going to show you a few cards. Just say, that's my card. Ready? Was this your card?
That's my card.
That's your card? All right. Set that down right there. All right. Next card. Was that your card?
That's my card.
That's your card. Nah, I don't think so. And how about this one right here? Was that your card?
That is my card.
That is your card. Oh, a little different there. But Adam, actually, I don't think any of those are your card. Actually, I think this card right here, the Six of Hearts, was your card. Set that down right there. I think the Six of Hearts was your card. That card right there. Now, Adam, no more lies here. Did you see your card? One of these four cards.
Yes.
You did?
Yeah.
All right. I have a question. Which one was your card?
It was this one.
This one right here? So, out of all the cards, I guess I was wrong. The Jack of Diamonds was your card.
No. That wasn't my card.
That wasn't your card.
No.
What? The King of Diamonds?
No.
The Two of Spades?
No.
None of those were your card?
No.
Well, there is one card that I did think was your card. Was it the Four of Spades?
Sure was.
All right, guys, that's a trick. Let's learn how to do this. That is the lie detector trick. You can detect if your friends are lying or not. So, you really can do this with any deck of playing cards, and there is no setup, which is the cool part. So you can grab any deck, and you can do this trick right off the bat. So, what you're going to start off, you can have the deck shuffled. So, the spectator can shuffle it. It's always best to have your spectator satisfied, and they can shuffle the deck too. So, once your spectator is satisfied, the deck has been shuffled, everything along those lines, you're going to have them select a card, and you're not supposed to see it. Now, for the tutorial, I will see it, but for the performance, you're not supposed to see what card they're selecting. You can actually give them the deck and have them pull out any card and then give you the deck back if you want, just to make sure, so you can turn your back and make sure you have no idea what card they're going to be selecting. So that way they really believe, this guy has no idea. So while they select a card, right, when you have the deck, right, what you're going to do is you're just going to do a pinky pull down on the bottom card, and then you're going to transfer it to a thumb break. So while they're looking at the card, you say, hey, show it to everyone, right? Seven of Hearts, just for the tutorial. You're not supposed to know. All you have to do is you're going to get a break under the bottom card, pinky pull down, and transfer it to a thumb break. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to swing cut all around, half the deck, doesn't matter where, and you're going to be in this position and wait for them to return the card. Now, it doesn't really matter as long as this break isn't like huge, like as long as you don't have it like this, you want to keep your hands like this, like flat, so they can't see the break, and you don't need it that big. You just need it, just a small break like that works just fine. And what's going to happen is you're going to ask for the card back, so they're going to give you the card back. You don't know what it is, all right? They give you the card back. You're going to put it right here, and what you're going to do is you're going to put the rest of the deck on top. What you're going to be doing is, with this break here, you're going to be putting your pinky in that break. So, just like that, what I'm doing is I have my thumb break here, and I'm basically dropping this card down, and then I'm going to maintain a break right there. So basically, this is a random card, and then this is the selection. So this bottom card's a random card. You're dropping it down. You're dropping that card down like that. So I'm dropping this card, and I'm going to get a pinky break above that card. And from here, you're going to transfer to a thumb break and do a double undercut like that. So what you're doing is you're controlling their selection second to the top. Once again, they select a card. You're getting a thumb break right below the bottom card. You're going to swing cut. They're going to give you the card back. You're going to drop this card down and get a break above it. And then you can either cut the deck or do a double undercut like that. And that's going to control their card second from the top. You can control it second to the top any way you want. Doesn't exactly matter what way you do it. Once you have their card second from the top of the deck, so 7 of hearts, what you're going to do is you're going to start talking to them. And you say, we're going to, test, how good you are at lying. When you're doing this, you're going to thumb down 2 cards, just like that, right? And you're going to get a pinky break under it. Or you could just do the pinky pull down. Doesn't matter what you do, just make sure you get a break under the bottom 2 cards, like that. Once you get a break under the bottom 2 cards, doesn't matter how you do it, remember you're going to distract them by making eye contact and saying, we're going to test your lying skills, right? Get a break under the bottom 2 cards, and you're going to swing cut half the deck over. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to ask them to say, that's my card, every time you flip a card over. So, the first card is not going to be their card. It's going to be a random card. Who knows what it's going to be? So what you're going to do is you're going to take that card. You have the thumb break under 2 cards. You're going to use this half the deck to flip the top card over. So you're going to say, was this your card? And you tell them every time to say, that's my card. All right? And when you're doing this, just don't make sure not to go like this with the deck. So you flash the break. So you're going to say, was this your card? Flip it over. And they're going to say, that's my card. Right? It's not going to be their card, but you have them say that. You're going to flip it back over, and you're going to square it up with the rest of the deck, and you're just going to place that card down. But just make sure when you're doing this, you bring this part on top to act like you're squaring, and then you just place it down. So you're actually placing the card down. Then you're going to say, all right, let's get to the next card here. This is actually going to be their card. So they're going to say, that's my card, So they're going to say, that's my card. You flip it over. You say, okay, I don't really believe you. Whatever. You flip it back over, and what you're going to do when you flip it back over, you're going to drop these 2 cards on it when you square it back up. So the first one, you flip it over, you say, was that your card? They're going to say, that's my card. Take it. Make sure when you flip it back over, you just square it up a little bit, place it down over there. You say, all right, let's get to the next card. Was this your card? They're going to say, that's my card. You're going to flip it back over. You're going to square it up, and you're going to drop these 2 cards right on top of their card, and you're going to place it down. And you're going to make that into a fluid motion. So you got to try to make it look smooth. So when you flip this card over, you're going to flip it. You're going to flip their card over. You're going to drop these 2 cards, and you're going to place that top card down. You're going to say, all right, I don't really believe you. Then for the next one, just do the same thing. Say, was this your card? They're going to say no, right? Or no, they're going to say, that's my card, right? You flip it back over, but it's not actually going to be their card, right? You place it down. Now, you're in a position where their card is here now. All you have to do from here, just take this half of the deck where their card is, move it to the top. What you're going to do from here, all right, guys, is you're going to do a double lift. So if you don't know how to do that, what you can do is you can get a break under the top 2 cards. So get a thumb break under the top 2 cards. You can pinky count if you can. Doesn't really matter. And, so get your break under the top 2 cards any way you can. And you're just going to do a double lift. And you're going to say, I have a special feeling about this card. Now, you're going to say this, and it's going to fool them a little bit. You're going to say, I really think this one's your card. You're going to do a double lift, right? Double lift here. And it's not going to be their card, right? So they're going to say, that's my card again, right? But really it's not. So you flip this card back over. Remember, it's a double lift, right? Flip the card back over. and you're going to place it down. You're going to say, I have a really special feeling. From here, all you have to do is ask them, hey, did you see your card? They're going to say, no, I did not see my card. Or, no, they're going to say, I saw my card in the second position. You ask them where. They're going to say, this, I saw it in the second position. So from there, all you have to do is flip over the second card. They're going to be like, wait, no, that's not my card. My card isn't there. So you're gonna flip over the other two, and then from there you can prove your point that you had a very special feeling about this card right here, and you can flip it over and show that it was their selection from the beginning of the trick. That is the trick, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is Card Shuffler 99. Peace out.